Good morning! I am on leave today, so I have to settle my chores because I'm going for a self-love retreat tomorrow.
Morning, my lovely! Morning!
Yana's coming now. Let me see. Oh. Yana!
Yung ipapita mo yung ID mo, mahal.
Hey. Mommy!
Mm.
Yeah! Amazing! Amazing!
Here comes home to US. Going back to US for a vacation.
Yahoo!
Yahoo! So happy!
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Yay! So how was your flight, Yana?
What?
How was your flight? How was your flight?
Amazing!
Good. Good job, Yana.
Hi, Dad! I'm good.
Yana is getting her first meal in the US. What did you order, Yana?
A cheeseburger, some French fries, and a drink. Let's see this.
Fun.
Why is it like this?
Yeah, it was like that. It's just fold it.
Oh!
Wow, very nice.
Whoa! Looks like this.
Yeah, it says, what did it say?
I found it.
Boy, sa 100. Yan, matuto ka magbayad para sa mga matatanda. Yeah. Thank you, Rian. Happy birthday. Sa kulturang Pilipino, kailangan may natitirang isa. Ayan, nag-prepare na tayo. Meron tayong dinner invitation ulit. Hopefully, there is another opportunity.
Pumapasok sa loob mo, hindi pumapasok sa mga tenga ng mga actors mo yung pinaggagawa mo kasi English ka magsalita.
We have first time directors, tas nagtatalo-talo sila kung sino may pinakapangit na play.
Solusyon niya. Kaya sabi ko, babe, wag ka kasing mag-English. Di ba sabi ko, babe, wag ka mag-English.
Natatawa lang ako. Tingnan mo. May heroes in peace. Ano?
Uniform pa eh.
Pangit ang shell.
Eh, ito nga alamin ko, paano ba ito malungkot? Over ba siya?
Mauna, masaya ka. 28 ako nung namatay. Masaya ka pa dapat nung una, tapos medyo tragic na kasi yan towards the end. Tapos di na siya buhay.
Looking for another actors, guys.
Sa totoong buhay, syempre maligay mag-bra. Ano ba?
Books and more books, all from Europe. No doubt, he loves to write.
I can say the same for my nieces and nephews. But someday, I shall bring back the smiles on their faces once more. Goodbye to you all. And go with the dream that some sunny morning, we shall all meet again in this.
Ano ba itong director na ito? Nagpapadirect na lang sa new member. Ano naman ang director? Nakakapag-multitask siya. Nakakapag-direct siya habang nag-online shopping.
eto na nga. Diba, parang may pack daw yung araw ko. Diba, pagkatapos ng good morning, dinner agad? O, hulaan nyo na lang kung ano nangyari dun sa gitna. Charot! Secret! Hindi, syempre, natulog. So, nasa bahay na ako. So, okay, my another opportunity offer. And this time it's not specific to you know, to pleasure relatedness. So, I feel like it's a bigger responsibility because I have to handle 2 companies in one shot. And I don't know, the details are not yet clear, but I'm still to clarify yet. Tiyatanong niya lang muna ako, do you want it or not? Because if you want it, you just tell me. Parang, whoa! Alam nyo, ito lang, kwento. That time, nagpa-tattoo ako. And usually, I advise people, pag nagpa-tattoo sila, above the elbow. Above the elbow, bakit? So that when you apply jobs, hindi ka mamatahin. Kasi pag ganyan, kita tattoo mo, ganyan, diba? So parang, syempre, as an HR person, alam ko tinitignan namin yan. Tinitignan ng tattoo and piercings, diba? So, nung nagpatattoo ako, sabi ko, hindi, magpapatattoo ako ng lampas sa siko. And then sabi ko sa sarili ko, dahil ito, promise ko sa sarili ko, never ever that I have to apply for another job again in this lifetime. And nakaka-touch lang kasi though alam mo yun, wala pa akong job interviews even after na nag-resign ako. Laging dumadating lang yung opportunity. Mostly like it comes in forms of business dinners to offer, you know. It's like that, and it's so touching na parang unknowingly na manifest ko yung promise ko sa sarili ko. I was able to keep it. Diba? So if you have a promise to yourself, say it out loud and manifest it because it is possible to happen. So anyway, nagde-decide pa ako kung ano yung tatanggapin kong offer kasi ayoko naman sa security industry na kasi though meron ako parang 3 pending offers ng security. So, I think it's time to leave the industry. I've been there for very long na din. And then, now, I guess we'll see. I will think about it over the self-love retreat, over the weekend. What's my plan? What will I do? Will I have a clear direction kung ano talagang gusto ko? Diba? Oh my God, I am so blessed that I have these options. I'm really grateful. So, maraming nagtatanong sa akin. Like, tungkol sa buhok ko, kung natural daw bang black. Yes, it's natural black. Pero syempre, tinutubuan na ako ng puting buhok. So, nagkukulay na ako ng buhok ng black. And then, tinatanong nila kung natural na kulot. Hindi po. I just chose to be kulot. And kung natural bang one-sided? Yes, one-sided talaga. Kasi, ang puyo ko talaga is nandito sa unahan. Wala akong puyo anywhere sa likod. So, nandito siya. So, mas madali siyang ihati here. Akala nila parang, ano lang yon, style. Pero, gano'n na talaga ako since bata. Nandiyan na yung hati ko. Mukha doon, hirap na hirap ako. Hindi pantay yung buhok. Ganyan. So, lahat ng nakakasama ko, parang either pagbalik nila sa Pilipinas, one-sided na rin yung hair nila, ganyan. Nakakatawa. And, ayun nga, pinili ko maging kulot kasi super straight siya, mahirap siyang kulutin talaga. So, pinakulot ko talaga siya, hindi para magmukhang magulo. Kasi, diba, parang kailangan malaki yung face ko eh. So, if pag may volume na ganun yung buhok, parang nakakaliit ang mukha. Now you know. So, ito na nga, kasi kami, diba, ng kapatid ko, kailangan namin magambagan sa minutes, sa minutes that ma-accumulate. So, sabi namin, minimum 6 minutes per day. Kailangan ang ambag natin para sa vlog na to. Shit, kulang pa ako ng mga 1 minute plus. So, kailangan dumaldal. Otherwise, kailangan kong lumabas para mag 7-Eleven na naman.
Kanina, sabi ni Ken, thank you, Lord!
Thank you, Lord!
Buti na lang may party. Hindi kami yung pinakapangit na play. Gusto napanood naman.
Based on kahapon based on kagabi na pinanood namin dito din. Promise talaga.
Ginawa nila ako sinungaling. Ginalingan nila bigla.
Sabi ko, ay! Bakit ganun? Parang ang pangit pala nung amin. Sabi ko na lang ganun, no?
Oh my gosh.
Ate,
Order niya yun eh, ba't may tong? Sinong tingin mong pop?
Tutagle.
Tingin ko Italy. Ikaw?
feeling ko din Italian.
Waiting for the new pope. Wala pa rin. Bye, Luden! Sana mapanood mo kasi ni new pope.